Hey, I'm back, and I'm excited again. I have yet another embroidery project to show you. So I've already prepared my hoop and the machine, so let's get started. Let's see. Okay, so let's get a little focus in here. Let's see. I think I gotta turn my camera around. Let's see. Okay, all right. So here we go. Yep, like I said, I have to get my camera focused on this machine. Get this snapped on in here. And we are doing a heart design that actually came on the Brother machine. Let's see, make sure you guys can see this real good. We're gonna have us a little time here today. A few obstacles in my way I didn't plan for. And so lower my lever, my presser foot. It's all threaded up, and remove the foot pedal and tell it to go. Oh yeah, she's all heart. In no time. In no time it will be all done. This again is a heart design that actually came on the Brother SE425 embroidery and sewing machine, the Enthusiast. And I'm just happy to do little demos for you guys. If you're not using everything on your machine, yeah, well, you need to get started because, yeah, it's easy. Looks like we're almost there. Oh yeah, kind of a basket weave type, and it's doing the outline around the outer edge. Real cute. You can use it for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. Yeah, just have some fun with it. Even you can put this on little girls' clothes, on baby clothes, baby blankets. Just a little something extra to decorate your creations. You can even put this on a handbag or something. You just want to, spread the love. Just go ahead and put a heart on there. Oh yeah, that's really neat. And there we have it, all done. So I'll just remove it from the carriage. Raise the presser foot. Sorry about that. Move this back a little bit so we can get a good look at it. And she's all heart. Just have to clean this up a bit. And then we're good to go. Oops, oopsie. Yep. So I'll pull those out. That's just the tail of the thread that's on there. And I'll clean those up. And then we'll be good to go. Hold on. And here we are, all cleaned up and ready to go. She's all heart. Thank you.